What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is my 2007 BMW 335i X-Drive. Technically it's an XI, and this is a shit box, and I absolutely love it being a shit box. Why? People don't expect it to be anything, so when they find out it's super fast, it's just funny. It's got performance mods, stage 2 plus tune on it, everything I want to go fast. It's on E30, but it just doesn't look the part. It just looks, from this side, it just looks too good yet. So we got to clap it out a little bit. We've got a spoiler for the wing. We've got a spoiler for the trunk. Super windy out today, so I'm going to pull it forward in the garage so I don't kill you guys on the mic. We'll get to it. Alright guys, now that we're in the old side of the garage, you'll be able to hear me a little bit better, I hope. You're going to hear some baby chicks in the background. There they are. Hopefully they won't bother you too much. Anyway, alright, a couple of things we need to do this project. Number one, you need yourself a rear spoiler. Okay? Got one right here. You know, if you guys have been watching the channel, you know me, I'm an eBay guy. That's where it came from. Link will be in the description below. Let's hope that this one arrived in better shape than my F10 one did. I'll bust it up. Alright. 3M tape is already on it. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh. It's just matte black. It's not even shiny. That's gonna look even worse. I love it. Thought I ordered a shiny one, but oh well. But you can tell that the whole bottom has a bunch of 3M tape on it. They really didn't line it up here very well, so I'll probably straighten that out if I can. Yeah, she straightened out just fine. We're just gonna set her on here and see how she looks. Ooh, that's looking gangster. That looks real crappy. This is gonna be perfect. Now that we know that this thing isn't all beat to crap, we need to clean your surface area, so your 3M tape is gonna do, your sticker is gonna do some sticking. It's gonna stick you. Your sticker's gonna sticker. Something to clean the deck lid off. Sorry, super clean. Not this time. For this kind of stuff, I prefer to use Car Pro Eraser. It's an isopropyl alcohol-based cleaner, and that's what I use to do stuff like this. And then you want something really scratchy so you can scratch your paint all up. No, don't do that. You don't want to do that. Don't listen to me. Get this surface all nice and clean. Starting with a clean card help, but I'm not going to do that. It's windy and a little bit colder here. I don't feel like doing that. So, there. She looks clean to me. Hopefully the lighting isn't too crappy in here either. So, alright. We're just going to let that dry a minute. Or not. Looks good to me. Alright. Just going to kind of set her on here and figure out where I want her. I think that's going to look pretty good, man. Oh, the wing isn't. It's definitely not bent in the perfect shape to fit. Definitely not. Hey, I guess with eBay you just take certain chances because you know this stuff's straight from China. All right, we're gonna peel our tape. Get her ready. And to be honest with you, I'm gonna go get a razor blade and I'm gonna trim back further just because I don't want to see any adhesive sticking out. Whoops. Scratch the trunk. Oh well. Here goes everything. And then just push down on it like it's going out of style. So like I said, it's not perfectly shaped to the deck lid. I'd be shocked if this thing stays on here, but hey, that's a story. Anything to get you a story. Oh yeah. There we go. You want to make your 335i look even worse? Pick a wing that is mismatched, stick it on this thing, and watch everybody laugh at you going down the road and as you drive by them. I love it. This car to me is all about driving and it looking trashy. I don't know why. Well, there you guys go. You want your 335i to look worse? A little trashy? Pick a mismatched, in this case, flat black spoiler, deck spoiler, wing, whatever. Pretend like it's going to give you some downforce and put it on your gray car or your white car, or, well, actually, white and black would probably go good together. This one doesn't, but anyway, like I said, the whole purpose of this car is it's a sleeper. It looks like trash in my opinion. Not on the one side, so maybe this will help. But I do nothing but spirited driving in this car. It's got 150-some thousand miles on the original N54. Stage 2 Plus MHD tune, running on E30, T16 turbos. It's fun. Index 9 injectors. I don't have 12 injectors, so yell at me in the comments for that. I don't care. But yeah, I've replaced a lot of stuff on it. You know, the high pressure fuel pump, just a bunch of stuff. So yeah, there you guys have it. Links will be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Later. Is your life a mess? Literally. Do you suffer from dirty engine bay syndrome? Or your friend's piece of crap vehicle leaving oil all over your concrete-itis? Or perhaps you have the chicken cordon blues? Then you should ask your mechanic about Super Clean. With their foam application and their original spray cleaner, Super Clean products make cleanup quick and easy, with the exception of the chicken cordon blues. Super Clean may cause extended periods of cleaning, increased organizational habits, the desire to be cleaner, and your friend's jealousy over how clean your shop is.